Let's get it on box number 4. It's the new stuff. It's Contenders, and I'll tell you what, I know why it's sold out everywhere, because it looks good. So this is box number 4, and Trip Zero, new guy on the site, grabbing that #1 draft pick. Brinks, what's up? SM Kelly, K Choi, Stevie, Rob BOL, D Theater, Mikey 3992 using the last 4 of his Soch, Edmundo. Here's everybody there. You don't want to count any teams out, okay? Because you never know. Anybody else feeling a cracked ice? Anybody else? Here we go. All right, guys, good luck. Here we go. It is box number 4 of the brand new stuff. Yeah, I think it's time. Well, I had a little Red Bull and put a little different stuff into that Red Bull. But, yeah, I think we're due. I think we're due for a little Rocky. Might be time to tap the Rockies. I like it. Let's get a big hit. Then we can celebrate by me celebrating and grabbing a Frosty adult beverage, okay? Another Redemption. Ooh, hello. Rookie ticket RPS variation of Justin Hunter. Trip Zero. He's new on the site. Just go ahead and get you some, brother. So very nice. Got yourself a little Justin Hunter. That'll be a RPS variation. If I'm correct, Tennessee did not make it to the playoffs, so Justin Hunter should have time to sign autographs. Okay? Easy as that. Ooh, there it is. Oh, it's a variation, too. That is pretty. Going to D Theater 65. Johnny, you know what to do. This card looks damn good, brother. And it's the variation. Ooh. See, no stars? Dude, that's what you want, bro. That's real nice. Oh, Johnny. I had a chance to catch up with Johnny today. He called. He was like, hey, man. He's like, how do I offer a trade to somebody that isn't on the trade board? And I was like, John, you can't do that. You can't bug people. Here's another variation. That's going to be CJ Mr. Anderson. And so that will be going to this Brunchos, Brad H. But that will be a variation. Do we just have like a box that just has like a ton of variations, or what's going on here? All right, next stack. Yeah, yet. Yeah, you're right. Soon enough, brother. Soon enough. And this is a variation hot case so far. The first 4 boxes have been all variations all day. You're still calling a Geo cracked ice out of this box? I mean, wishful thinking. I like it, D Theater. I like it. They still owe us a couple autographed cards out of here, so let's see what we got. Here's one of them. Mike James, running back. That's going to Tampa Bay, which would be Edmundo. Here you go, bub. I don't know. That is quite the riddle there. Barnesy always playing it safe with his odds. That's perfect. I wouldn't want to know what the odds are to win the to win the lottery. But here's another short print, Jamie Collins, and that'll be 5 out of 99. So it's a playoff ticket, playoff ticket, 5 out of 99. Jamie Collins. So it's variation as well. So going to Edmundo. There you are, buddy. Got a lot of hits out of here for you, bub. I like it. Mid-Reiki. 2 more packs left in this box. Here's another one. It's going to be Jaron Brown for Arizona. Now remember, guys, okay, some of these guys you might be like, who's Jaron Brown? Listen, I don't know who Jaron Brown is, okay? But you never know if Jaron Brown is internally numbered to like 30 and it's worth like $500. You don't know. Until we pull out 9 Jaron Browns, I would go ahead and just keep it wishful thinking, all right? Cool. That is box number 4.